trying out the new spot. Shouts out to Omar, put me on, and Johnny. Ooh. We've been practicing. Get that thing down through the real racer right there.
Ready?
Yeah, green. That boy Omar want that perfect view. It's ready. Oh, hold on, let me put both lanes. He want to go with you. Ready. Poppy ain't playing right here, man. Watch the light. Watch that light. Nice run, nice run. Alright, y'all, got that Bandit. Just messing around with it on 2S. See what it do. Oh, sorry about that. Stick these wires up in there. See if we get this thing down there. Both lanes on. Just some 2S test hits, just fooling around till the parts come. See what you do off this line of it. ¡Oy!
Se jodió.
Nice save. Three. What the fuck happened? What happened, bro? Yo, bro.
¿En qué tú tienes el freno seteado? ¿Ah? ¿En qué está el freno seteado? ¿Cómo que en qué está el freno? En computadora. No sé. Vamos a subirlo.
I didn't even see what happened, bro.
His brakes didn't work.
He took it though at a 2-1.
Cuando vio
It's good. Flew up in them. Whoa, you lucky it ain't go over. If it would have went over that fence. Yeah.
Sí, sigue por ir para allá. Yeah.
Thing is a shooter, boy, put together, overnighter. Oh, you put it back? It's alright, it's alright. 7 with that 8X. Nice, nice, Omar. Nice pad. Oh shit, I don't get the speed, bro. What? I don't get the speed. No, I'm playing. See what this thing is. Get that 1.9. There you go. Woo! That ain't hitting, bro. We gotta get it straight down through there. Get down through there. Like click. How you feel, Omar? Good? Okay.
How many?
How many?
How many?
2-1.
That's slower.
Had it. I see it in the high end, it get.
That bandit, quick put together. Woo. Quick put together. Just to the parts come. That's Johnny. Alright, I ain't bring the RS4, but that's the 10th scale right now. It's my 8th scale, it's my 7th scale. RS4 is my 10th scale. And that's gonna be my street eliminator. So we got in the classes, right? Go all over there, see what's going on. Joel back. Yo! Oh! Nice. Show him how it's done, Omar. Show him how it's done. I'll fix that thing. Good brakes, good brakes.
Mejor.
Now good break.
El mío para rápido.
Look at that. Nice save. Yo, it's a tight leg, but watch out. Your head. Them boys. Yo, Omar, take it easy. It's your friend. It's your friend.
Right here.
Estoy subiendo.
Ya, diablo, como coger la goma eso.
Check that.
I already had them in there. Derecho?
Yo, you want it straighter than that?
Como Mario Kart.
Battery. Damn, that boy smoking. You stop, right? Vamos.
El mismo que yo tengo.
Sí.
No, el D3.
What the fuck? Y siguió para el monte. You gotta go pick it up in the highway.
Talk about running until the wheels fall off.
Vamos. Brother versus brother. Boy, truck look good though. I like that thing. Nice rim. Oh, yo. That's what's up. Nice one. Uy.
Dale. fue por mucho, ¿verdad? Pero se la llevó, no te creas.
Slow.
Buena, Avi, buena.
Nice man.
Eso sí, tuviste que cambiar el moreno, ¿verdad? Sí, que ya yo tenía el moreno. Ay, ahí fue por mi lado. Lo que está perdiendo. Te duerme la luz, Avi, tienes que arrancar. Es que empezar así. Ah, verdad, se me olvida.
See that thing eating, bro? That man shit eating over there. Yeah, Papa, bring that shit, bro.
Took the shit off.
Yeah, that shit hitting, bro. Bandit out here eating.
Did you see that? What the fuck? You bandit is crazy, you know.
No worry, bro. Ooh, nice save, Omar. Nice save. I got hesitation in the beginning. Uy. Oh, you had it, bro. That was a nice pass. Nice pass.
Así despacito y después ya cuando vaya por ahí le da. Como no tiene goma buena, se va a barrir todo.
Oh shit. Alright, Johnny lining me up down there. I'm gonna stay down here and see if I can bring this thing down. Red light. That was a nice day. Oh, you got some sparks coming out there too? I see you trying to catch me in that big air. I see you trying to catch me in that big air, Johnny. For real? Yep. Not dead?
No, it's definitely dead.
Oh.
Como yendo más o menos, pero no salta. Si tú vienes por la ruta, no decir que tú tengas de cara.
A little bit. Yeah. Ready. Coming.
Faltó nada para que le estrelle.
Yo. I don't know how he ain't red light.
No sé, ese lo compró con un motor de... Esto es el mismo... ¿Cuánto bajó la boquita ahora? Grandote y de lujo. ¿Cuánto? Ese hasta que me canse. Ya me quiero ir. Nice race! Yeah! Nice race!
He let off.
Ahí se dieron cantazos, sí.
Sí.
5 to 4.
He let off.
Ya no.
And they're putting in work out here. Man, they're putting in work.
This good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, this how I won. Here.
¿Cuánto hizo?
See?
Oh, 1.76.
Reaction time.
Pero te lo tenía que sacar, papi. Vamos bien, tú estás grabando allá.
The funny part. Yo, we way over here still going. We should have been let up. We still was going.
Dale más. Ahí.
Yeah. Good fun. Yeah.
Así es.
What's wrong with this shit? The light, yeah, vamos. Hit us up, Johnny. Gotta be nice.
engine no hot?
Huh?
No hot? The engine?
No. Feel it.
Damn. Pero él tiene otro cuerpo, ese cajito va a ser como un drag. Ese se va a quedar así. Ese es el Street Eliminator de la Play 100. Ahí, dale. Okay.
Ooh, that was a hell of a good run.
That's a Mario Kart.
Yeah.
Banana peel slip.
Alright, y'all, it's the last run of the night. Ooh. Alright, we're calling it a wrap, guys. It was a fun day. Alright, so next time we're gonna use this, sorry for the blur, but we're gonna use the spot back there for the simple fact that it's longer. We're gonna have more breakdown. Right here is shorter, so we'll start back there. And then we'll stop like right here, have all that to break. So y'all stay tuned, man. Thanks for tuning in.